Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
Hello kids! Let's explore the colorful world of flowers and discover the amazing hues that make them so beautiful.
I believe in you. You're amazing.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W,
You're a
X,
superstar.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C,
Great job.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
I'm so proud of you.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Great job.
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
I'm so proud of you. You're doing it. Wow, you're amazing. You're doing your best, and that's super. Your creativity is awesome.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.